up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festus 67's workshop, and welcome to issue 49 of Build Your Own Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from the year 1967 from our good old mates at DeAgostini. Now, if you want to grab this and build along with me, follow this link here. There's a clickable version in the description below. That will take you to the DeAgostini website, folks, where you can grab this 1/6 scale Mustang for yourself. So let's have a scoot through the magazine. This is part of the Shelby story, the Mustang I concept car. A bit of an oddball, isn't it, folks? Looking rather suave there with a very narrow stripe, and the engineer Roy Lum poses behind it. But it's a weird looking concept, isn't it? I think that roll loop should have been a bit bigger because his canister is sticking right out above that, isn't it? Next up, we have got what we're going to be putting together today, which is the front fender guard panels. We're going to need our chassis section from previous issues, so we'll have that on the bench shortly. And we'll be screwing them on, just putting them in place. Nice, simple issue today, folks. And then once in place, it says turn it over and check the panels securely in place. And that's what you're going to end up with, the guard panels in place, folks. And that's where it's going to be on your model, just underneath there, underneath the arches. The Ford GT at the Daytona there, which rivals the Le Mans 24-hour race. And it's run every February. That'll be a nice one to go to as well, wouldn't it? The Daytona. Big old ovals. I wish we had ovals in the UK. You know, the last big banked track we had was Brooklands, but it'd be so cool in the UK to have big oval circuits, because I think we're missing out in the UK on that. This was Ken Miles during a pit stop at the 66 Daytona 24 hours, where he was victorious at the wheel of a GT Mark II. Good old Ken Miles. There's the GT40s there in their heyday. And then there's one venue with multiple circuits there. You've got the International Speedway. NASCAR races are held there as well, folks. But yeah, look at that. Stunning. We really have missed the plot in the UK. And then there's some more information there on the Ford story at Daytona. Give these a read, folks. They really are worth it. So that's the magazine gone through. Let's grab our parts and we'll do a bit of assembly, folks. Nice and simple today. That's what we've got. Right, let's grab our chassis section and bring that in. We'll rest that in situ. And we're going to be putting these fender panels in, folks, okay? One each side, like so. Okay, so that's how they're going to go. Just like that. So let's grab our screws and get them put in place, shall we? Like so, and then we'll drop our screw down into the post where they're going to mount, just like that. There you go, that's the first one in. Do the same again on the other side when we've put this screw in. Nice and simple, folks. And you just hear the screw pop in place. There you go. That's that one in. We'll do a nice little reverse manoeuvre. And then we can get that one in situ over there. Oh, rather big, isn't it? Yeah, she's a bit of a large lady now. It's been really interesting to see this one take shape. Sorry if I keep headbutting the camera there, folks. Let's try and lift that up. There you go. That way I should stop me headbutting it then. I'm running out of angles. Try and get this in on the bench, so I'll try something else next time. And then we'll put that screw right down in the corner there. Like that. And that now gives us that chassis section with both these panels in place now. Like that. Okay? So that's what you should have at the end of this issue, folks. So in the meantime, you want to grab this for yourself. Follow this link all the way to the DeAgostini website, folks. I think it's in the description below. Also, could you just consider giving Little Fester a click there and subscribing to my YouTube channel? That really helps me out massively. And ring the bell whilst you're there to get notified of future uploads and content, folks. Until then, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. See you on the next one. Bye-bye for now.